how to repost a video on Twitter without retweeting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can repost a video on Twitter without retweeting. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure that your Twitter application is updated. Then launch the Twitter application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and land on your home page, now navigate to the video that you would like to repost on your Twitter. And once you get into that video, simply copy the link of that video by tapping on the share icon right here and then tap on copy link from this drop down box. Once the link to the video is copied to your clipboard, now from this home page, tap on the compose icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on post with the plus icon. Here you can caption your video. And under that, you can simply paste the link to the video that you have copied recently. Once you're done with that, tap on this post icon from the top right corner and then the video will be posted in your Twitter. And that's how you can repost a video on Twitter without retweeting. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.